In this video, we are going to study the point linkage. This is the last point of this unit. The concept linkage was studied by the scientist T.H. Morgan in 1911. According to Morgan, the chromosomes contain many genes and these genes are not inherited independently. In one chromosome, there are many genes. For example, the Drosophila fly has 4 pairs of chromosomes and the hundreds of genes are present in Drosophila. Then there may be one chromosome has many genes. Another example is human being. 23 pairs of chromosomes are there and number of genes is 30 to 35,000. It is clear that the one chromosome has many genes. In Mendelian experiment, the common sweet peas with 2 or more elements or factors, now we call the factors as a genes, are considered heterozygous. In hybrid condition, the segregation of any one is completely independent of the rest. That means all the genes are distributed to gametes at random. Mendel considered inheritance of 7 characters and all the characters showed a random assortment. It was later demonstrated cytologically that peas have 7 pairs of chromosomes. It was genetically shown that the genes for the characters studied by Mendel are each located in different member of 7 pairs of chromosomes. Hence, they cannot show linkage, they cannot show a grouping and they assort independently. Hence, Mendel formulate the third law, that is law of independent assortment, but it is true for pea plants. The facts are as chromosome can have hundreds of genes and genes found in same chromosome are said to be linked. During the cross, therefore, linked genes will be transmitted together. For example, in pea plants, the gene for height, that is capital T for tallness, small t for dwarfness, and the capital R for red color and small r for white. These genes are linked, that is on the same chromosome. The linkage is a physical association of two genes. It can also be defined as a process of association of genes close together on the same chromosome. Linked genes sit close together on the chromosome, making them likely to be inherited together. So, linkage may be defined as the tendency of 2 or more genes in the same chromosome to remain in their original combination in the process of inheritance. The characteristics of linked genes are the chromosome contain many genes. Genes are arranged in linear fashion. Genes in one chromosome are linked, means the genes are arranged one by one linearly like a beaded condition, and they are linked means they go to the gametes in groups. The linked genes remain in a same chromosome and tend to be transmitted together generation after generation. As well as linked genes never show Mendel's principle of independent assortment. This law is not universal. Closely located genes means having a less distance in between two show a stronger linkage bond, and widely located genes show a weak linkage. The coupling and repulsion hypothesis of gene. Batson and Punnett in 1906 described a cross in a sweet pea where failure of gene pair to assort independently was exhibited. Plant of sweet pea variety having blue flower and a long pollen. The genotype is denoted as a capital B and capital L, were crossed with those of another variety having red flower small b and a round pollen a small l. F1 individuals had the heterozygous genotype capital B small b and a capital L small l, had blue flower and long pollen. These were test crossed with plant having a red flower and round pollen, that is completely recessive plant. It gives the ratio which is different than the Mendelian ratio. In this case, the character of blue color of flower is dominant over red color, and long pollen character is dominant over round pollen. In case of independent assortment, one should expect the test cross ratio which is a 1:1:1:1. But instead of that, ratio is 7:1:1:7. That is, this ratio is obtained indicates that there was a tendency of dominant alleles to remain together. The case was similar for recessive alleles also. This deviation was explained in terms of gametic coupling by Batson. Coupling is also there, as well as next concept is repulsion. This also shows a deviation, and the arrow is misplaced in this slide. Please understand, this ratio 1:1:1:1 is Mendelian ratio, and it is deviated in this way. In this slide you can observe the 1:7:7:1 means repulsion. When two dominant alleles or recessive alleles come from different parent, they tend to remain separate. This was termed as gametic repulsion. In Batson's experiment, in the repulsion phase, one parent would have blue flower and round pollen, and the other would have red flower and long pollen. That is cross between this capital B, small l, and small b, capital L, capital L. This shows a repulsion. The result of test cross in such a repulsion phase were similar to those obtained in coupling phase, giving the ratio 1:7:7:1. Means Mendelian law of assortment is again failed. This can be explained diagrammatically in this chart. Coupling phase and repulsion phase you can compare in this slide. The genotype blue long pollen, blue flower and long pollen has a capital B, capital B, capital L crossed with small b, small b, small l, and this cross results the ratio as we discussed in previous slide. That ratio is 7 as to 1 as to 1 as to 7, and it is due to the coupling phase. This number, that is 7, blew long, this case is similar to this parent. Okay, the next number, that is blew round, this is a non-parental. Again blew red long, it is also non-parental and it has a less number. And the last one is red round. Red round condition is similar to this parent, and this indicates the coupling of phase, means similar gene combination as a parent, means coupling is there, and due to which the law of independent assortment is not true in this case. Another example, repulsion phase. In repulsion, parents are chosen like the blue flower with a round pollen. This parent, capital B, small l, An opposite case to that is a red flower and long pollen, small b, capital L, and results are opposite to this but not similar to Mendelian ratio, that is the parental combination, which is blue round, is again in large number, blue round, that is 7. Then another parent having a red long, this, it is again having in this chart which has a large number, that is 7, and remaining 2 are a new combination, but the tendency of remain together with a repulsion phase. In this way we see the linkage is there. The types of linkage are 2, complete linkage and incomplete linkage. The closely associated genes from the same parent transmitted linked together is complete one. Genes that are linked but never crossover. And in incomplete linkage, assortment of genes independently of each other occurs in female Drosophila, therefore incomplete linkage. Genes that are linked and can be crossover. Complete linkage can be understood with help of this diagram. That is, if genes are immediate neighbors, they are almost never separated by crossing over and are always inherited together. The pattern mimics that of a single gene. In this case, this F1 into F1, that is having genes on one chromosome, small ab, another chromosome having a capital B, crossed with the another parent which is recessive, that is both chromosomes has a small b, and gametes are formed, and combinations, there is no free combination, only parental combination is there. This first parent, which is heterozygous, develop only 2 types of gametes, which shows a linkage, complete linkage, due to which 4 varieties are not developed. Only 2, 1:1 ratio is there. That is due to these 2 types of gametes, 2 types of offsprings or phenotypes are developed. In this way, complete linkage is seen in this diagram. Then the incomplete linkage. In this type of inheritance, crossing over is possible. In this cross, we see same parents, same genotype is there, but crossing over is possible. Hence, due to this crossing over means interchange of the broken segment of chromosome. Due to that interchange, gametes are formed showing a different combination, but that different combination have a less number, and the similar combination like a parent, these are the parents. Similar combination number is more, and this is few, which has a new combination, and due to which this result is get and shows a incomplete linkage due to crossing over. Significance of crossing over, linkage is there. It keeps a parental or racial specific traits together. Second significance is valuable traits of new variety maintained. It disallows desirable mixing of traits. This shows that genes are located on chromosomes. The phenomenon of linkage has one of the great significance for the living organism in that it reduces the possibility of variability in gametes unless crossing over occurs. The exception is there of crossing over, but possibility of variability is reduced due to this linkage.